Welcome. In front of me is the ZTE Blade A75, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, open up your settings. So right over here. In settings, scroll all the way down to System and Update, and then select Reset Options and erase all data. This will present you with a list of data that will be removed, which importantly includes things like music, photos, and user data. If you want to keep any of that, make a backup copy of it before you go any further. Otherwise, this data will be deleted and this cannot be undone. Now, I don't have anything here that I want to back up, so I'm just going to go straight to erase all data and then do that once more, which will now begin factory resetting the device. Now, this process will take a couple minutes to finish up, 2 to 3 minutes, and once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.